How to load paper into Tray 1 on the HP Color LaserJet Pro 3201 to 3204, 3288, MFP 3301 to 3304, and 3388 printer series. This tray holds one sheet of paper. You can use it to print single-page documents, documents that require multiple paper types, envelopes, or use it for portrait printing. Load paper to single sheet slot Tray 1. Move the paper width guides in the single sheet priority feed slot outward. Place the top edge of the sheet at the opening and then adjust the side guides so that they lightly touch the sheet, but do not bend it. Insert the single sheet into the slot and hold it. The printer will pull the sheet partially into the paper path. Note: depending on the size of the paper, you might need to support the sheet with two hands until the sheet is pulled into the printer. At the computer, begin the printing process from the software application. Make sure that the driver is set to the correct paper type and size for the paper being printed from the single sheet priority feed slot. Load letterhead or pre-printed paper in Tray 1. For one-sided printing, load the paper face up with the top edge leading into the printer. For two-sided printing, load the paper face down with the top edge leading into the printer. For one-sided or two-sided printing with pre-punched paper, load the paper with the holes towards the left side of the printer. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.